All right, so today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about what they call UM coverage, underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage. Um, so let's say that you've been in a collision and you've been injured, and so you're getting treatment from a doctor, from an emergency room, ambulance bills. There's hospital bills are mounting up. And you weren't at fault. Another driver hit you. So of course, first in line in terms of trying to get some of those bills paid, your pain and suffering, your other consequential damages, is their insurance companies, and that they have it. And you'll be limited to what the policy limits on their insurance policy are. And different people carry different amounts of insurance. A lot of people, unfortunately, are underinsured in today's day and age. But in addition to their insurance to cover some of your damages, your own auto insurance may also be a place to look for compensation. Your policy, if it has an uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, can be second in line to the other driver's insurance. And the way that works is, generally speaking, there'll be a one-off. So what I mean by that is if your policy, let's say, has 100,000 in coverage, and their policy, let's say, has 50,000 in coverage, then once you've exhausted their 50,000, you would have an additional 50,000 from your insurance to cover the difference. It is very important right off the bat that you notify your own insurance of the accident to make sure that you're complying with your own policy requirements, and that's something that we would do for you. It's also important to find out what your policy limits are early on, which is something that we also would do for you. So, when you're injured, unfortunately there are a lot of moving parts, there's a lot of things to consider, and getting a competent lawyer right from the beginning can oftentimes be the difference of thousands of dollars in your ultimate recovery in your case.